In this tutorial, we'll be covering how to add and log teacher-related data in the child care management system. So now that we've already added our location information regarding our center, now we're going to start adding teachers. So back on the child care management system navigation menu, we'll click on teachers. And now the teacher's form appears. And again, as we've mentioned before, there's a lot of demo data that we've put into the system in which to help and guide you. Again, if you no longer have a need for it, feel free to click the delete button to remove that demo data, or simply click the new button to add any pertinent data that relates to your daycare or center. So what we see here in this demo data is a few things. One, there is the ability to input the instructor's photo into the system itself, as far as a form of whether identification or just simply to put a face to the name. So if we wanted to change the default picture that is here, simply click on the picture itself, and you'll see that there is a paperclip icon, which refers to attachments. You can click on that, and then the menu would appear, allowing you to add a new photo. Simply click the add button, and then a dialog box appears in which to allow you to find the exact file itself and pretty much go from there. Click OK, and then that picture would appear here. So for example, let's do this. Let's click new. If I click new, I get the ability to add my own instructor. I'm going to name that individual, let's name him Mark. And let's make his last name Doe for the fun of it. Let's add some notes, and let's say that, Mark came to us from Learning Centers of England. Okay, want that note in there, that's fine. And then I want to put in some information that pertains to his perhaps his current position. And say Mark is our new fours teacher. He was hired on January the 1st of 2022. And because Mark has just started with us, he's not moving to another position, nor is he no longer with the company, we're going to leave that end date blank. And the location, because we've already entered different locations, I'll select the location that we want to use, and that information is now there. And then as it pertains to credentials, let's say Mark has a CPR credential. I want to put that in here. This is going to allow us to keep track of any expiring or perhaps other credentials that don't expire. But let's say he got his CPR training done in January the 5th of 2021, and it has an expiration date of 2023. Okay. If he has any other credentials, let's see, he has a director credential of some sort, and he attained that in 2018. Perhaps this is a credential that does not expire. I'm going to leave the expiration date blank and just put in my notes, never expires. All right, with that, always important to hit that save button, and now that record is saved. One thing to note is while we've added this information, if we want to be able to put this information in a nice printer-friendly format, we can do that simply by clicking the report button right here. I click that report button, I get a nice user-friendly report that takes all that pertinent information, including the notes that we put in, and we can simply go to print, and then select the printer that we want and hit OK. And again, all the information that we just entered into our form is now in a nice printer-friendly format. All right, and so that's going to give us a report specifically for the teacher or individual that is shown at hand. If I want to get a report that pertains to all the teachers for the institution or the organization, this will be where we would go back to our navigation menu, just over here, and then click on the reports menu, and then click on the teacher reports here, which will then give us the report for all the instructors throughout the organization or organizations that we cover. Again, if you have further questions or concerns, feel free to go to the Help Center link here within the navigation menu, or simply contact us through email or any other social media. Hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.